marathonjourney.com, v4.06, where I use the Jeff Galloway run, walk, run marathon training method to keep from running myself into the ground. Yes, I am feeling better, but I still have upper respiratory stuff going on. It's been a nasty flu. But this morning we went out and didn't take anything for my illness, and so I coughed a lot more. But it was a very productive cough. But be very careful if you have any upper respiratory problems and you are running. On the calendar today we had 5 miles. So I figured 10K would be good. We got out to 5K and I asked my wife how far she was going to go, and she said, I think we should go 8 miles. So we went to 4 miles and turned around. So a little over 8 miles today with 5 miles on the books. What can I say? Tomorrow, or next week is going to be a much longer week, so we're going to take it a little bit easier. And get back on the horse and get our training sync back in, getting ready for something that I'm really not looking forward to, and that's the Goofy Challenge at Walt Disney World. Got to get those back-to-back runs in and get ready for that half followed by the full. Should be interesting. What are you experiencing in your training? I tell you one thing, it's starting, just barely starting to be like fall. It was 57 degrees when we started running this morning, but it's October. It should be down in the 40s at least, but well into the high 60s or low 70s by the time we finished. What's your weather like? Are you beginning to feel the nice cool beginnings of fall? And is your running becoming a little more pleasant? Pleasant or not, dress for the weather. You're not going to get anything done unless you open up that door, put one foot in front of the other. If you do that, I'll be seeing you out here on the road.